Hey guys, so today we are going to work on our first digital story, and we're going to use a website called ThingLink. Now, on our screen you can see an example of a ThingLink. It is pretty much an image that has added information in the picture. So you see these little dots and hearts and play buttons. Those are all links to information that relates to this picture. So since we're going to do a ThingLink for our career exploration, I have here a link for a career in math ThingLink. So we have a picture, careers in math, different careers that you can do, but these little dots have more information, such as this link has a link to a website about top 10 colleges for a major finance degree. So let's exit out of that. This link has a video for careers in math. You can watch the whole video in the ThingLink image, or you could go to YouTube and watch it by clicking on it. Let's see what else we have. We have a career guide, how to become a cryptologist, which I guess is a math career. So lots of really cool information. A survey on do you want to be a math teacher? So we're going to create one of these with the career that you have chosen. Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. So the first thing you do is go to thinglink.com. You are going to click on the login information, and we are going to pretend that my name is example student, and you can see I've already logged in before. SCCWPT. You just have to be real careful with this login information because it is generated by the computer, so it's kind of just gibberish. Okay, and so then we type in our password. Now all of you guys will get one of these in just a few minutes. Oh, I must have done the password wrong. Okay, so first thing we need to do is find an image. So we're gonna go to another website. So let's open a new tab. We're gonna Google Flickr Commons. Now this is a website where you can get pictures that you can use in ThingLink. There aren't any restrictions on what you can use them for. So I'm gonna type in a sample career choice. Let's just say librarian. Now instead of looking for a picture of a librarian, it would probably make more sense to use a picture of a library. So I'm going to type in library and hit enter. Now I want not any license, but a Creative Commons license, which just means that it's not copywritten. I can use it without breaking the law. So I'm going to scroll down and look for a picture of a library that I like. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go down here to this download button. I'm going to select medium for the size, and I'm going to save it to the desktop, and you guys might have to save it to your T drive. And I'm just going to type in library. Okay, so I can exit out of this window. I'm going to click on create, upload an image. Okay, I'm going to click on desktop, and there's my library picture. Okay, so there it is, successfully uploaded, and it takes me to it. Okay, so here is where the fun starts. You get to add all your tags. That's what those little dots are called. So right here, I'm going to add my first tag just by clicking. It's giving me a little bit of a problem. Okay, so here's my first tag. Now, I can choose whether to add a link or a text. So I'm going to start out by adding a text. I'm just going to say, I started volunteering in a library when I was 12 years old. Now, I'll talk to you a little bit more about what kind of tags I'd like for you to choose. I'll do that in person with you in class, but I'm just going to do a few to give you an example. So I have my tag, I have my text, I'm going to hit Save Tag. Okay, now I'm going to add another one. Let's say I'm going to add a link to an article. So I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to go to npr.org, which is a news agency. And I'm just going to do a search for librarian to see what kind of librarians are in the news right now. Okay, so I'm going to scroll through here. Let's see, recommendations for reading, librarians with tattoos. Okay, this looks good. Before the internet, librarians would answer everything and still do. Now, I actually read this article earlier and I know I like it. So what I'm going to do is left click in the address bar, then right click, copy, go back to my ThingLink page. I'm going to add another tag. I'm going to put this one up here on the door. Okay, let's see, for some reason it was giving me some problems, so let me save it and then go back into it. Okay, so now I have my ThingLink, or my tag, over here on the door. Now for this one I'm going to paste the link to the article right there. Now since this is an article rather than text, I want to change the style of the icon. So let's put a green star for an article. Okay, so that's pretty much the idea. You can keep going like that. Okay, let's see. So when you're done, you can hit Save Image. And that's going to finish our ThingLink. So you guys are going to have a lot more than just those two. Some other ideas of links we can add are links to your BLS page, more text explaining what skills you have that are good for the career, text explaining why you think you'll do well in this career, maybe a YouTube video describing the career. Actually, let's look for that real quick. So if I go to youtube.com and do a search for how to become a librarian. Here is actually, oh, this is the video I watched earlier. So this is a 5-minute video on why somebody would want to become a librarian. So I'm going to, again, copy and paste that into my ThingLink. Now if I want to edit it, I can just go back to my ThingLink, click on the edit button. And then we can add another tag and paste in the link to YouTube. Okay, so I can paste that in there and hit Save Tag. So now I have a video. Oh wait, let's change that to a play button so we know that's a video, and then save it. Okay, but the thing to remember when you're looking for a YouTube video is to use this phrase, how to become a whatever it is you want to be. Now we can also put in links from Wikipedia. So if we go to Wikipedia, we can type in librarian, and we can copy and paste this article into our ThingLink. But I'll stop there so you guys have a pretty good idea of what we're going to do. So when we're done, we're going to look at other students' ThingLinks, at least 2 other students, but we'll talk about more of that in person. Okay, so that's it for now. Hope you guys are excited because I really am. So let's get started. All right, bye.